take my business. No! I'll take my business elsewhere.
It's only Myers.
Oh!
Disturbance in the fog.
I'm so scared. I'm so nervous.
Today we will play 10 rounds, each with different challenges. I will decide them all with my magical cards. Players, are you ready?
Yeah!
Yeah, we're ready.
Ready.
I gotta be Bill?
I just pick the map or...
I am Meg.
Us? She escaped by accident.
What? Was there just an imposter noise playing? Am I crazy?
I heard that. I heard that.
It was.
Don't miss that.
Oh my god.
Everyone meet at the shack.
Emergency
Temporary
meeting
peace.
call. Everyone
All right,
meet
here.
at the shack.
Here. All right.
Temporary peace is
Okay,
active.
alright, let's
All right.
go.
What? What? Did you hear that?
That?
Yeah. Yeah, what the fuck?
Frisk is sus.
Is he creeping around?
Oh shit!
No, it's a temporary meeting. It's a temporary meeting.
Imposter.
Come on.
She's definitely the
That one. Yeah.
Yeah.
What are these noises?
This one.
You.
This one.
Yo.
Oh.
Yo.
one.
You're the imposter.
Come on. Oh shit! Oh no! Oh no!
6, 5, 1.
Oh no no no!
We get
no.
away. Oh my god.
I'm already on the other side of the map.
It's on me.
Oh.
Wait, should I allowed to kill them or what?
Amazing.
Oh shit.
Macro, thank you so much.
No.
Close your eyes for 5 seconds.
What's that?
Yeah.
Sorry,
Yeah.
we did a
I
sound
got a knife on my nose there.
Ah! Ah!
Yes!
Nice.
Run!
A calm spirit? Oh, maybe. I don't. They're all running fun things.
Well, that was not a good time for me.
That was not a good time.
To the safe. Oh shit.
He got me.
Oh, no one.
Bum 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 bum. It's my Streamloots phone.
Slap the most recently hooked survivor.
Okay, I can do that.
Excuse me? I thought this was a
Kind of
professional.
hard object.
Oh, he hit me? Oh, he's mad at me. Oh, he's big mad. He keeps hitting me on hook.
Give me some of that William. That William tail.
You are not allowed to vault for 10 seconds.
Not 11 volt for 10 seconds.
Oh, one body block.
Y'all.
Was that you?
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was him. Trust me.
No, it wasn't.
Did you shit your pants when you got hung up there? man?
No. No, I would never.
I'll go.
I went
Oh, the
down.
hooks are pretty close.
Spin 3 times while carrying this survivor.
1, 2, 3.
I cry.
Oh my god, he just got used down too.
Not on this hook.
I gotta look down for 5 seconds.
Well, to be fair, I am looking down. Witness me! Ah.
360 out the window. I got it.
Oh really?
The dead heart out the window. Yeah, when he dead hearted out the window.
Thank you, Pickle. No
This is pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed. Those were very loud.
No. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fuck. 9.
You gotta run for the hatch. You gotta run for the hatch.
Where's the hatch? Where's the hatch?
Log piles.
Long pile, long pile.
Left side of the lock pile.
To your right.
Left.
Left?
No, behind the blue sheet. Behind the blue sheet. Go left.
No, no,
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No.
Oh,
No.
okay.
Mario?
Mario. Oh. Oh.
Denim, denim, denim.
Sound like a car until you hit someone. Here we go.
It oinks.
Perfect timing.
Oh! I took it up one, and I'm gone.
I'm down with and got pound for this. I'm so down.
My hero!
I'm in the
I got you.
Thank you, officer.
Easy.
Ah! Damn it!
Nope.
Frisk. Jeez.
Oh,
I'm in this locker.
You said you're in this locker. When you say this locker,
Oh,
Another
sorry.
one, you.
By Pickle.
What do you mean another one? You said nothing.
what?
Another one.
What? Another one? What?
Try to hook the next survivor in the basement.
Fuck. Yeah, right. All right, I'm gonna try it.
Not
Oh, I'm
allowed to
almost out.
visit
I'm
for
almost
10
out.
seconds.
No. Oh, no.
Yeah! You know I was gonna run in a straight line. You big silly monster.
Damage the first functioning generator you see.
What if they're not be? Oh, does that count? That scared me! Fucking goat, man! Damn it! That actually scared me again.
No. Oh, I gotta move. Oh gosh. Finish the gen.
No, I have to.
Go, 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 go.
This man hurt me.
Yes!
Oh, there it is. There we go. Oh, how the tablets have turned.
Oh,
Close your eyes for 10 seconds.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Give it to me. Nothing. Oh! You all gonna get murdered now.
Oh, my God.
Oh, sweet heaven. You're winning, right? I don't even know.
Look who we have here. Not playing Meghead. What is this? There it is. There's the Meghead.
Let's tunnel King.
Yeah! Yeah, it's the best card ever!
Hey, why me, man? Why me? I just got here. He has Franklin's. Oh no!
Oh, no.
It's not Spooky. Wait, who's the killer then? Who's the killer, Lumi? I thought it was Spooky. Who else would be a trapper? I don't know.
I was blind. I was like, where?
I'm gonna tunnel you till you're tunneled from it. Oh yeah, you run into that corner real nice like. Yeah, how was that corner? Yeah, you like that? What's the mud on the swamp like? Tell me about it. Tell me about it, King. I'm gonna pick you up, and they're gonna try to sabo a hook. But you know what? That ain't happening, baby. I'll push you right here. You son of a. It's okay, I have another hook over here. It's fine. We got somebody in a trap. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Don't let him distract you. Don't let him distract you.
Let's go.
Drops this wood here. He doesn't drop the wood. You.
After that, man.
No! I window teched her and then got caught in the trap.
Sabo these hooks, nerds!
Oh, this was a setup. This was a setup. This was a setup. They got Lumi in here with the cards and Tokki with Trapper. This was a setup. I walked into a trap.
What? Friskk, we don't have time.
There's no, I'm going for the save. There's no trap at the pallet, so let me heal you up, but we'll make it. Oh no! Oh, it's so laggy.
He trapped the one.
I have been ordered to tunnel!
Catch the king. Catch the king.
Ask and you shall receive, Game Master. Please don't DS me. Won't you do it? Don't you frickin' yeah, baby.
Me help! Me help!
Come on! Yes!
Heck yeah!
So you want to dodge my bump?
Oh, he
Yeah,
really
all
wants
the
to. He
didactic is
really wants
good,
to.
He really
but
wants
it's
to.
that.
We're throwing this game in order to tunnel King. Crap, 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 crap! Don't do it! That's fine. I'll take my business. I'll take my business elsewhere.
Oh yeah, let's go!
I gotta go!
I want my freaking vindication!
You got la la la.
Ow.
See what else?
Go left, go left, go left, go left, go left, go left, go left.
Get after him.
Alright, this is okay. We can get both of these. We can get both of these. I'm not even gonna go for that one. I'm gonna let them waste their time. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. This is my prize. Fuck.
Break out, 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 break out. I got it.
Yes! Yes!
Let's try this again. Vindication! Can I get some RIPs in chat for the king?
Papa hates me.
All right, I'm working on a generator.
Aw, poor King.
Poor King. I gotta go bye-bye.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. He's got me in his
You guys
sights.
gotta live. You got
Everyone has to do a
Oh no.
360.
Everyone has to do 360. Woo! Oh gosh.
Whee!
I almost have the
He's
generator.
got legs. Oh!
He's got legs.
Got a leg.
Yes! Yeah!
Oh,
Uh-oh. Oh, fuck.
no, 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 no.
Don't
You
ignore
didn't
about
even run
this.
How was
Freeze
your
for
stream?
5 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Fudge! Oh, come on, come on. I want the spicy blood warden. We want the spicy blood warden. We want the spicy blood warden.
Alright,
Hey,
there we
there's
go.
him in the exit gate. Yoonz.
I'm surprised. Oh, I didn't mean to leave. Oh.
Yoonz is hiding. He's sneaky.
Spicy.
Yeah, that was so good. It saved my life so much.
How many breakouts did we have that game? That was so many.
Many.
Yeah, that was like 5 or 6.
Disgusting.
Well fought today. Thank you everyone for tuning in. See you in the next round of Disturbance in the fog.
That scared me! Fucking goat, man! Damn it! That actually scared me again.